Hello there and welcome to this quick win. Today we're going to look at a tool inside Canva. So here I have a presentation. As you can see, it's about 19 slides long and it talks about data validation. Now let's pretend, for argument's sake, I've done this lesson and somebody was absent and I want them to get some of the content from this particular lesson. Now this lesson, as you can see here, is based on data validation and you can see it's quite wordy. But I'm going to cover these aspects here. Now I could say to the student to look through the entire presentation, but with Canva I have another option at my disposal. What I can do is come up to here and click on the magic switch, and inside here you'll find one that says transform into doc. When you give this a little click, it will give you a number of options on what you could transform this into. I'm going to say a summary, and I click the button. Now it can take a couple of minutes depending on how big the document is and how much information there is for Canva to process. Now what the AI will do is it's now going through my presentation and it is attempting to identify what is the most important information. There you go, it says it's done, so I can click on Open Doc, and now what Canva will do is give me a summary of what was in that presentation. There we go. So here we go, it tells you the name of the presentation and it tells you that it was talking about data validation. It talks about the different types of validation that I covered in the presentation. Now, as with all AI tools, I would need to read through this to make sure it has got all of the main points. But this is a way of reducing a lesson down into a bite-sized chunk, useful for revision or for absentee students, things like that. I hope you find this useful. Until the next one, have a good day.